They've turned your muscle loss into a billion-dollar industry. That's not a guess, that's a fact. That feeling of getting weaker every year, finding it harder to push yourself out of a chair, or feeling like the grocery bags are filled with lead, that has a name. It's called sarcopenia, and a system is making billions by letting it quietly strip you of your strength, your balance, and your independence, while they sell you powders and pills. But here's what they never told you. Your muscles don't just vanish because of a number on your birth certificate. They weaken because your cells are starving for the right fuel. And that fuel isn't some expensive supplement. It's something you've probably overlooked for years. Real, powerful grains. In this video, we're revealing the top grains that science now shows can help you fight back against age-related muscle loss. We'll unveil the #1 grain that stands above all others. A powerhouse packed with the exact building blocks your body is screaming for to grow stronger. Stick around, because you're about to learn how to take back your strength, starting in your own kitchen. Before we get to the solution, you need to understand the enemy. Sarcopenia isn't just feeling a little weaker. It's the clinical term for the loss of muscle mass and strength that happens as we get older. Think of your body as a construction site that's always running. Throughout your life, a demolition crew is breaking down old muscle, and a construction crew is building new muscle. It's a balanced process. But after 60, that balance can tip. The demolition crew starts working faster than the builders can keep up. One of the biggest reasons for this is something called anabolic resistance. In simple terms, your muscles become a bit deaf. They can't hear the signal to grow as well as they used to. And that signal comes from protein. This means that as an older adult, you actually need more protein than a younger person just to stop the bleeding, let alone rebuild. The new guidelines suggest aiming for 1 to 1.2 grams of protein for every kilogram of body weight every single day. Not getting enough of the right protein is what fuels sarcopenia, leading to that frustrating weakness and a fear of falling that robs so many of their independence. But it's not just about eating more protein. It's about eating the right kind. And that's where our one grain comes in. A food so perfectly designed for muscle health, it's like nature's own formula for fighting back. So what is this powerhouse grain? The #1 grain that every senior should be eating to fight muscle loss is quinoa. You've seen it in the store, tiny little pearls that the Incas called the mother of all grains. Today, science is confirming what ancient cultures knew all along. What makes quinoa the undisputed champion for your muscles? It comes down to one critical fact. It is a complete protein. Your body needs 9 essential amino acids to build muscle. Think of them as non-negotiable building blocks. Most plant foods are missing 1 or 2. Quinoa has them all, in one perfect, highly digestible package. Just 1 cooked cup delivers around 8 grams of pure, muscle-building fuel. But here's where it gets incredible. Among those 9 amino acids, 1 is the master switch for muscle growth. It's called leucine. Think of leucine as the foreman on that construction site. It's the signal that yells, "Hey, we need to start rebuilding here." It kickstarts the entire muscle building process. As we age, that leucine switch gets less sensitive. We need a louder signal. Quinoa is packed with leucine, providing the loud, clear command your body needs to overcome that anabolic resistance and fire up your muscle-building machinery. Now, meet Carol, 68. A passionate gardener, she felt her energy draining away season after season. Bending over left her sore for days. Her doctor told her it was just her age. But her daughter convinced her to swap her usual lunchtime sandwich for a quinoa salad with roasted veggies. Within 3 weeks, Carol said the constant ache in her back and legs was gone. After a month, she was back in her garden hauling bags of soil, feeling stronger than she had in years. Quinoa is also loaded with other nutrients your muscles are screaming for. It's rich in magnesium, a mineral that helps your muscles relax. If you get leg cramps at night, this could be a sign you're low. 1 cup of quinoa provides a significant portion of your daily magnesium needs. It's also a great source of fiber, antioxidants, and iron to help fight inflammation and deliver oxygen to your hard-working muscles. While quinoa is the star player, A truly strong body is built with a team of powerful foods. Here are other forgotten superfoods that can support your journey back to strength. Oats and barley. These aren't just for breakfast. They're a muscle-saving powerhouse. Both are loaded with a special fiber called beta-glucan. This fiber slows down digestion, giving your muscles a steady stream of fuel all day long. No more energy spikes and crashes that leave you feeling wiped out. More importantly, that fiber feeds the good bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut reduces systemic inflammation, which is a hidden enemy that slowly damages muscle tissue over time. One study even found that older adults eating barley showed better endurance. Oats also contain unique antioxidants that further fight inflammation and improve blood flow, feeding your muscles what they need to repair. Sorghum. This ancient African grain is a gluten-free hero that's finally getting the recognition it deserves. What makes sorghum so special for seniors is its high level of polyphenols and antioxidants. These compounds are your body's personal firefighters, putting out the chronic inflammation that drives sarcopenia. By calming this inflammation, sorghum creates the perfect environment for your muscles to heal and grow. It also provides a solid dose of plant-based protein, around 8-9 grams per cooked cup, and is rich in magnesium, B vitamins, and iron for energy and repair. Fonio. Fonio may be the smallest grain in the millet family, but don't let its size fool you. Its secret weapon is its amino acid profile. It's unusually rich in methionine and cysteine, two amino acids that your body uses to produce its master antioxidant, glutathione. Think of glutathione as a bodyguard for your muscle cells, protecting them from the damage of daily life. Fonio is also a fantastic source of iron and B vitamins, helping you produce the energy needed to stay active. Its protein is incredibly easy to digest, making it a perfect choice if you have a sensitive stomach. Knowing what to eat is half the battle. Knowing how to eat it is what gets you results. And the beauty of these grains is their simplicity. For quinoa, there's one golden rule: rinse it before you cook it. This washes off a natural bitter coating. Then, just cook it like rice. 1 part quinoa, 2 parts water. Simmer for about 15 minutes. Aim for 1 cup of cooked quinoa a day. Have it as a warm porridge for breakfast. Toss it in a salad for lunch, or use it as a powerful base for dinner instead of white rice. For oats, always choose steel cut or rolled over the instant sugary packets. A warm bowl in the morning is a classic for a reason. Barley is incredible in soups and stews. You can cook a big batch of barley or sorghum at the start of the week and add scoops to your meals whenever you need a boost. And here's a pro tip: don't save all your protein for one big meal at dinner. Some research suggests that protein eaten in the morning may kickstart muscle growth more effectively. Spread your intake out. Give your muscles a steady supply of building blocks all day long. A quick but critical warning: if you have any pre-existing health conditions like kidney disease, talk to your doctor before making a big change to your protein intake. And if you're new to a high-fiber diet, introduce these grains slowly to give your system time to adjust. Feeling weaker is not your destiny. It's not an inevitable part of aging. It is a condition, and you can fight back. Your fork is one of the most powerful tools you have. You don't have to change everything overnight. The journey to rebuilding your strength starts with one simple swap. Try trading your white rice for quinoa, or start your day with a bowl of oatmeal. Take that first step. Give your body the fuel it's been waiting for to build strength. Protect your independence and live with the energy you deserve. Your muscles are ready to get stronger. They're just waiting for the signal. So, which of these powerful grains are you most excited to try? Is it the complete protein powerhouse, quinoa, or the comforting energy of oats? Let us know in the comments below. I love reading your stories, and we respond to every single one. And if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about who needs to hear this message. Every share helps someone else on their journey to a stronger, healthier life. Your strength isn't gone, it's just waiting to be fed.